Well, what a different day out there compared to yesterday. It was like we were just hit in the face with cold and rain and just a complete difference out there. Temperatures today only rising into the upper 60s, mid 60s here for us, some 70s down in Siren and into Hayward as well. But funny thing about these temperatures is this was early in the morning. I'm talking 6, 7 o'clock in the morning. Ever since we've been falling into the 40s. We've been in the 40s for about 5 to 6 hours now, sitting at 40 degrees here at Fox 21 under some light drizzle still ongoing. We're hitting the 30s at Bong Airport, 38 degrees, 37 degrees at Sky Harbor, 37 on Thompson Hill as well. And then, of course, regionally, we could look at 41 degrees into Silver Bay, falling to 37 degrees in Grand Marais, still into the 40s in northern Minnesota, down along the South Shore in those upper 30s as well into Ashland too. 48 right now in Ironwood, still hanging on to 52 in Glidden, and 48 in Hayward right now. Still some 40s off to the west as well in Big Fork and International Falls. And of course, those winds are not letting up at all. Still very breezy off the lake at 23 miles per hour here in Duluth, 14 miles per hour in Superior with gusts up to 30 at times. It is making it feel like below freezing temperatures out there. So a little blast of some winter here for us, feeling like the low 30s all the way into Moose Lake. And of course, rain still continuing to fall. Very light though. That's kind of nice. We're seeing a little bit of clearing off towards the Iron Range, down along to Moose Lake and also down by Webb Lake, but it's not the end of it, I promise you that much. So in terms of accumulations here, this is where we've seen those rain accumulating in those blue areas, over an inch up towards borderlands and towards north of Ely into the boundary waters up there. But the rest of us just a trace here. Now we have this low pressure system continuing to slide through southern Minnesota, bringing storms into central Wisconsin, even into southern Wisconsin for tomorrow morning. We could even hear a clap of thunder here in northern Minnesota too. Then as we head through the afternoon, we start to see that finally clear up, cloudy skies behind it, maybe some sunshine peeking through right before the sunset. Then this cold front pushes on down, brings us chilly air for tomorrow night and Thursday morning. But thankfully, that sun comes back out and starts to warm us up a little bit. We're not going back to those 80s or those 70s, unfortunately. And in terms of how much rain is left, well, just a trace from the lake effect there. That wind just kind of pushing. We're not seeing too much from that. But up to the north, we could still see another inch of rain accumulate there through the overnight hours and into tomorrow. So here, there's that scattered rain still continuing in northern Minnesota tonight. A chance of a clap of thunder or two. Same thing down into northwest Wisconsin by tomorrow morning. This is 7 o'clock in the morning. We're looking at some storms starting to push on through there. Then we start to see that clearing, some scattered showers, mostly cloudy skies through the afternoon. Like I said, maybe some sunshine before sunset, and then those nice clear skies for us on Thursday. So the sun is coming back. We just have to wait a little bit longer. And of course, my trivia question for tonight is, because we have those storms pushing on in, can lightning strike many miles away from a storm while you're underneath clear skies? No clouds at all. Can it? Yes or no? I'll have that answer in just a little bit. So for tonight, we're going to see those ongoing scattered showers, temperatures pretty much right where they are right now. We're actually going to start to see them rise within the next few hours. Winds continue off the lake for tomorrow morning at about 5 to 10 miles per hour, but then a cold front pushes through. Winds start to pick up out of the northwest at 10 to 25 miles an hour. So really bringing in that cooler air. High temperatures for tomorrow only in the mid-50s, mid-60s off to the west and down to the south into the low 60s. So still cooler than we've been feeling, but a little bit warmer than today. And of course, with that lake breeze, much cooler lakeside, feeling more like 48 degrees out there. So as we head through the rest of the week, like I said, sunshine on Thursday, more chances for rain on Friday. That's going to be a cold one too, feeling more like 40s and 30s again. Saturday, the sun comes back up. Temperatures start to rise. By Sunday, we're in the mid-60s for Mother's Day. Beautiful day to get outside, take her out on a picnic or something. Do something fun, right? And the next week, 70s return. So we're not far away from it.